Hey everybody, my name is Ryan. I'm the head of the Proxy Network support and implementations team. In today's video, I'll provide a brief and high-level overview of our flagship hosted remote desktop service. Proxy Networks has traditionally been a provider of on-premise remote desktop software used by IT departments and support teams. An organization may decide to move certain services, like their remote desktop tools, to the cloud, and the Proxy Air service deserves a closer look to those looking to do that. Screen sharing and remote support needs to work fast on any platform, have the capabilities you need built in, must be easy to use, all while adhering to stringent security requirements. Authentication with Proxy Air is deferred to a customer's existing Azure Active Directory tenant, so the login process will feel equivalent to logging into your Outlook 365 and works with MFA if enabled. Furthermore, an administrator of the Proxy Network software instance can control what specific pieces of proxy functionality are available when a user connects to hosts. The Proxy Pro Master and ClickOnce Master viewers have a file transfer tab at the bottom of the connection window, so it's fast and easy to move a file or a directory. Beyond that, the Remote Management tab allows for a deeper dive into the system, and in the interest of time, highlights might be retrieving a list of installed software and their versions, or you might need to start, stop, or restart a service, kill a process, or check the last reboot time. These tasks are all performed behind the scenes and none of which interrupt the end user, and we hope you find some of this to be helpful. In addition to taking remote control of Windows and Mac computers, screen sharing is now extended to mobile platforms such as iOS, Android, and Chromebook, although it is view-only on these platforms. An administrator can use the Proxy Web Console's Activity tab to view a snapshot of the current remote desktop activities, and on the Analytics tab, retrieve a report showing who connected to what and when. So there's high visibility into remote desktop activity with Proxy through this checks and balances system. The installed Proxy host for Windows can be deployed with your settings baked in. For example, your machines might be unattended, so you want to just click and get right in. Or your policy might be that end users must explicitly allow a connection when you attempt to connect. Additionally, you might want a watermark showing the connected users, a beep on connect, and a connection notification, or you might want to disable some or all of it depending on how you want the connection to feel for the end user. A final note about the client is that when you're supporting hundreds or thousands of machines, you're going to need a predictable manner in which to find those machines. Hosts can appear in your list in the fashion of user on computer name, meaning you can type out partial names and they'll be found instantly in the web console or the master. We have our own proxy deployment tool that you can use to create and install package that would contain and apply the settings that you choose. Either use our tool for the actual deployment, or you're free to use your own preferred deployment approach such as group policy, SCCM, or similar. From a licensing perspective, we would ask how many people need to use this at the same time. If your support team has 10 members, but only half of them work simultaneously, then 5 licenses would be appropriate. Finally, once you're logged in, you can launch 1, 5, 10 connections at once. It's still treated as a single license. For a complete demo, check out the link in the description, or reach out to us at sales@proxynetworks.com or 1-877-PROXY-US.